This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Watchlist and Market Report for the week ending December 31st, 2022. Our question this week is, what is a strike price? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended lower. The Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased minus 0.22% on Friday and was down minus 0.17% for the week. The S&P 500 decreased minus 0.29% on Friday and was down minus 0.14% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 0.11% on Friday and was down minus 0.3% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were 4 up finishes versus 8 down finishes for the major indexes. On Monday, the market was closed. On Tuesday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished up, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq finished down. On Wednesday, all the major indexes finished down. On Thursday, they all finished up. And on Friday, they all finished down again. New unemployment claims were 225,000, which came in as expected. U.S. pending home sales sagged more than expected in November. The cryptocurrency Solana dropped $50 billion in value in 2022. MicroStrategy sold some of its Bitcoin for the very first time. A Bahamian regulator stated that they seized $3.5 billion of FTX crypto assets, and Treasury yields rose slightly on the last day of trading. New unemployment claims pending U.S. home sales, a cryptocurrency dropping $50 billion in value for the year, MicroStrategy selling Bitcoin, the Bahamian government seizing FTX crypto assets, and U.S. Treasuries raising slightly to close out the year are all news. And news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down are virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day or even every week, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. The market will go up when the powers that be want the market to go up. While there are many powers out there, the top 5 powers that be are the Federal Reserve, big financial institutions, big corporations, the President, and Congress. These 5 entities will do what they must to drive the market higher. Now, we are at our question of the week. What is a strike price? As it relates to stock option contracts, the strike price is the agreed upon price where a stock can be bought or sold. Not all stocks have stock option contracts, but a great many of them do. Stock option contracts are listed by their stock price and expiration date by your broker, and you can also find them listed on financial websites like Yahoo Finance. Do your stocks have option contracts? What strike price would you choose? Or do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you do not understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. If you ever want to learn how to get wealth and income through the stock market, you are going to have to teach yourself. You must RSI, read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading, especially books. School taught you to be a worker. They did not teach you how to be an investor, and they taught you absolutely nothing about the U.S. financial system. You can learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books about investing. Books that you can borrow from the library for free or buy cheaply online. It is not difficult to learn how to be a passive investor, which is what most people should do. Check out this list of recommended books on the books page of the Southside website. These books and others like them will not tell you which direction the market is going to go, but you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go on a daily basis, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside strategy. You can learn more about the Southside trading strategy at Southside School of Financial Freedom.com. Here is the Southside Trading Watch List from the week ending December 31st, 2022. The strongest performer on the list this week was Check Charge Point Holdings, ticker symbol CHPT, in the second column. It was up 5.42% on Friday and increased 11.46% for the week. ChargePoint Holdings Incorporated provides electric vehicle charging networks and charging solutions in the United States and internationally. It offers a portfolio of hardware, software, and services for commercial, fleet, and residential customers. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that ChargePoint has decreased almost 50% year to date. I did not trade or generate cash flow from ChargePoint this week. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside strategy. The Southside trading strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow, that is, trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is a benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Thus, most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do you do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comments section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside Portfolio Cash Flow System outperformed the S&P Index SPY in 2022. The Southside Portfolio ended down minus 4.29% versus minus 19.48% down for SPY, a difference of 15.19%. The Southside beat SPY by just over 15%. The cash flow generated by the Southside cash flow system for this week was 3.57% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by minus 15.62%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by minus 0.13%. Bitcoin Watch, Bitcoin lost minus 1.66% this past week and continues to be in a bear market. It is down almost 76% from its all-time high, which was achieved back in November 2021. I sold option contracts on two positions this week. They were two puts that ranged from $37.35 to $51.35. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week, on the website, Southside School of Financial Freedom.com. To increase your financial IQ and understanding of the stock market, please check out past videos for other questions of the week. The videos are organized in playlist levels 1, 2, and 3. The videos are also arranged in playlists by subject matter. In the meanwhile, please like, share, and subscribe.